Oh yeah, driving around in an old motor's fine. You've just got to stay on top of the maintenance. Alright, so we've got the bonnet off because I recently discovered I can't close the garage door. We have the engine support here. It is now chained up. We've taken off pieces of the intercooler ducting so we can get to the support. We've got the support on the other side there, chained onto this. There's tension on that now. The battery is out. The battery tray is out. Lots of spaghetti down here is out. I am now going to loosen the gear change cables that need to be loosened, but first I have to put the jack underneath it, support the gearbox, take the mount off to get to the cables. The intake to the turbocharger is off. What else have we got down here? We also need to remove the front subframe. So this needs a bearing splitter on here. This one here is actually a Borg & Beck one, a month old. This is going to come off. I'm going to put a genuine Ford back on because Borg & Beck is shit, I've recently discovered. The drive shaft on this side is already out. I'm going to be changing the wheel bearings in here for genuine Ford ones. We need to get a bearing splitter on that as well. Then we need to do the same on the other side. So bearing splitters in there, separate that, remove that drive shaft, the intermediate piece is already out there, and then we're going to take out all the subframe bolts, drop the subframe and disconnect the power steering lines, and also disconnect a certain section of this exhaust to give us enough room to be able to drop out this gearbox. While I'm here, I'm going to be changing the front shock absorbers because, you know, why not? They need to be done, and I'm going to be changing those with genuine Ford if I can find them. And yeah, a few other bits as well. We'll change this this bottom ball joint as well. And then basically drop the gearbox out, and then we've got to get another gearbox, check it's the same, and refit that, fill it back up, put everything back together, and then this fan should be good for another lot of buzzing around. How long is it going to take? I'll have it back on the road by lunchtime. Kushti.